Join me for a little tune-up. You do not have to impress anyone today. Today, you can stop living, making decisions to please others. This only dims your light. Your true power comes from when you begin living for yourself, making decisions for yourself, asking yourself, what do I desire? What do I want in this situation? Getting to know those answers, getting to know yourself. That's your true power. And then people will actually start to notice, even though you feel like you're not pleasing them anymore, that you're shining so brightly. They're like, how can I be close to this person? How can I do what they do? How can I experience what they experience? And that's truly how we help others, by shining our own light, demonstrating how good it feels to be in our power, in our pleasure, in our enthusiasm. So for today, when you look in the mirror, start telling yourself, I'm learning to love you. State your name. I am the luckiest person alive. I am discovering my power. When you change your inner talk, I mean religiously, you will start to notice, just like a flower, you're going to blossom. You're going to open so wide up that you're going to feel like you're not really trying anymore. All that effort that this world has convinced you to put in, you're going to realize it wasn't necessary. You just blossom and life flows to you. This is your true power, being yourself, welcoming in all the gifts and expanses that await you, and I know they await you. Because you're amazing, truly, truly amazing, and you're beautiful, and you're smart, and you're lucky. And today, I want you to begin noticing all those things. In your head, I want you to 1,000,000 times a day say your name. Gosh, I'm so lucky. Gosh, only good things happen to me. My name is Mary Lisa Lorraine Francis Emery, and I am happy. Change that inner talk. Change your energy. Change your life. I love you.